For decades now, Pakistan has been attempting to create unrest and instability in India's Punjab by promoting separatism and terrorism. In its latest modus operandi, Pakistan's secret agency, the ISI, is trying to instigate radical pro-Khalistani elements staying abroad to target the Indian community. The extremist Khalistani sympathizers funded by ISI are posing serious threats to Indian diaspora. We take a look.
A Tiranga and Maple car rally was organized by Canadian Indians to celebrate India-Canada ties, but it didn't go down well with pro-Khalistan supporters. Some radical pro-Khalistan goons attacked the rally and insulted the Indian national flag. This is not the first time when Pakistan-backed pro-Khalistan elements have assaulted the peaceful Indian community. Indian diaspora has been continuously facing threats from such brainwashed Khalistani sympathizers who are being funded by the ISI. However, New Delhi has expressed concern over growing attacks in countries like Canada, where these anti-Indian forces are sabotaging the liberal society.
We have come across these reports of threats and intimidation to some members of the Indian community in Canada. These threats have come from certain fringe elements in Canada, and we've taken this up with the Canadian authorities both in Ottawa and in Delhi. We've requested them to take steps to ensure the safety of Indian citizens in Canada. We advise Indian nationals to report any such incidents to the local Canadian police and also bring it to the immediate attention of our High Commission in Ottawa as well as to our consulates there.
These Sikh youths in Western countries are being brainwashed as a part of Pakistan's major task. Notorious ISI is making every possible attempt to bolster Khalistan groups in different countries across the globe. Recently, a report published by a leading Canadian think tank also reiterated this fact. It said that Pakistan continues to provide training to Khalistani militants and indulges in relentless propaganda on the issue. According to the publication titled Khalistan, a project of Pakistan by the MacDonald Laurel Institute, Khalistan movement is a geopolitical project nurtured by Pakistan, threatening the national security of Canadians and Indians. It has also been found that various websites of pro-Khalistan organizations, including secessionist group Sikhs for Justice, have links with Pakistan. Not only that, in the past, Sikhs for Justice wrote to Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan to politically support Referendum 2020 movement. Recently, it claimed to donate $10,000 to the United Nations Human Rights Commissioner for comment on farmers' protest in India. However, such attempts to instigate Indian Sikhs will not work as Indian Sikhs are not gullible. Moreover, Indian security forces are ready to tackle every challenge.
पाकिस्तान की कोशिश रही है, रहेगी और हमेशा ये कोशिश करता रहेगा, पर आज हमारी सुरक्षा व्यवस्था, आज हमारी गवर्नमेंट इस बात को लेके पूरी मजबूत है। ऐसी चीज़ों को नकाब डालने के लिए, इनको कंट्रोल करने के लिए, इनको तहस नहस करने के लिए हमारे में कोई कमी नहीं रहेगी। हिंदुस्तान एक है, एक रहेगा। इनकी कोई भी साजिश को हम कामयाब नहीं होने देंगे।
Inside Indian subcontinent, the bigger game plan by the ISI is to portray both terrorists from Punjab and Kashmir as natural allies fighting the government of India. The Pakistani deep state seems to have now embarked on the Kashmir and Khalistan strategy with newfound hate. In the past also, several outfits such as the Babbar Khalsa, Khalistan Liberation Force, Khalistan Zindabad Force and Khalistan Commando Force have come under the scanner. A meeting at the Nankana Sahib in Pakistan between these elements and the ISI also came under the scanner. Meanwhile, it was also established that the Babbar Khalsa and the Lashkar-e-Taiba were sharing a common office outside the Nankana Sahib.
पाकिस्तान की शुरू से कोशिश रही है, हमारे पंजाब से, हिंदुस्तान से के भगौड़े, परमजीत सिंह पंजवड़, वदावा सिंह बब्बर, ऐसे कई टेररिस्ट हैं जो पाकिस्तान में उनके रोटी पानी पे पलते हैं। अब वो पाकिस्तान ISI उनके ऊपर प्रेशर डालता है कि आप कुछ करते नहीं हैं, हम आपको खाना खिलाते हैं, हम आपको यहाँ रहने की जगह देते हैं, आप जाके कोई ना कोई पंजाब के अंदर नई वारदात करो। अब पंजाब के कई गैंगस्टर, जम्मू कश्मीर के कई पुराने आतंकवादी, अब उनके मिलकर के विदेशों में कोई ना कोई किसी ना किसी से टाई अप करके हिंदुस्तान में साजिश करते हैं कि हम कोई ना कोई नया रास्ता अपनाएं, क्योंकि कश्मीर के अंदर पाकिस्तान की पॉलिसी टेररिज्म के ऊपर पूरी जो फैलाने की वो फेल हो चुकी है। हमारी सुरक्षा फोर्सेज ने उनको ख़त्म कर दिया है।
While Pakistan continues to push its Khalistan agenda, the fact of the matter is that it has not found many takers in India. This is why Pakistan is instigating anti-Indian forces to target Indians in different countries. Sponsoring attacks against Indians living abroad portrays Pakistan's hatred towards India. A part of this hatred stems from the fact that diplomatically, Pakistan has failed to gather any global momentum against India.